What actually happens in the brain with epilepsy and a seizure during a concussive event?
So first, the distinction needs to be made between a seizure, which is this kind of visible thing that you mentioned there, where, and in an epilepsy, any seizure can span the whole spectrum from a very brief loss of awareness. You don't even lose body tone. You wouldn't necessarily fall on the ground. You can look just briefly confused, all the way to the full fall over, whole body shaking, lasting anything up to 5 minutes. So a seizure is simply how the brain reacts to an insult of any sort. So for instance, if I sat here and drank 50 liters of water, I would overwhelm my kidneys, my brain would swell up, I could have a seizure just as a result of the brain under strain. So we call that a seizure. When it's directly related to a cause, like a blow to the head, we call that a symptomatic seizure. Now, epilepsy is different. Epilepsy is this tendency to get these seizures, but they're not necessarily triggered by something. In fact, by definition, in order for to have the full scope of the disease epilepsy, you have to have this unpredictable, non-provoked attacks, and you have to have them recurrently.